Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to calculate Binance Earn interest. Binance Earn provides several ways to grow your crypto, like flexible savings, locked savings, and staking. Each product has its own interest calculation method, but generally, your earnings depend on the amount you invest and the annual percentage yield, or a pie. We'll break down how these calculations work for different products, helping you understand your potential returns. For flexible savings, interest is calculated daily based on your subscribed amount. The APY shown is an annualized rate, but your daily interest is a fraction of that. For example, if the APY is 5%, your daily rate is approximately 5% divided by 365 days. This daily interest is then added to your spot wallet, and you can redeem your principal at any time. Locked savings and staking products often provide higher APY because your assets are committed for a set period, such as 30, 60, or 90 days. For these, the interest is calculated based on the locked amount and the fixed APY for the entire term. Rewards are usually distributed daily or at the end of the term, depending on the specific product and cryptocurrency you choose to stake or save. To maximize your Binance Earn interest, consider the principal amount you invest, the APY offered, and the duration. Higher APY and longer terms generally yield more. Utilizing features like auto-subscribe can automatically reinvest your daily interest, compounding your earnings over time. Always review the terms and conditions for each product to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.